This is the RMM 18-inch electric conversion kit. It starts life as a Scott's manual push reel mower, and with the kit, it turns into an electric reel mower. You turn it on, you hit the switch, turn the knob. It also has a backlap function. You can purchase this kit in two separate manners. I have the Pro kit, I believe it's what it's called, and it includes the wiring and the electric motor, so it's essentially plug and play. I also purchased the RMM Real Roller kit, and that includes these brackets that are fully functional and adjustable, so you can move the roller up and down to adjust your height, and also the rear roller. The rear roller brackets also have a provision to use the stock grass catcher. So this grass catcher is purchased separately from RMM, but it has these slots. The grass catcher just slides right in there. Along with the rear roller kit, you can also purchase a front roller. As you can see, I don't have that. I just use the wheels. So when you use the wheels, the kit also includes wheel spacers and wheel standoffs and pushes the wheels out. So that way the chain can fit right in without any issues. It's full clearance there. And like I mentioned, or if I haven't already, this is the Ego version, since I have a bunch of Ego power tools. It's functional with the Ego battery. And to remove and install the battery, it's very simple. Like any other Ego product, you push down the lever, slide it out. Gives you a good look at the RMM aluminum bracket. It's one piece with several 3D printed components such as the battery connector, the wiring box, all the wiring for the electric motor goes in here. And then of course, the control panel to adjust your speeds and forward or backwards wheel motion. The kit also adds substantial weight to the mower, so it provides a tighter cut. I've got about 20 plus hours of electric mow time, and it has substantially increased the pleasure of mowing and also the quality of cut on the yard. I got this Scott's mower last year, so I was manually reeling for about 30, 40 hours. So all in all, I've got over 60 plus hours of mowing on this reel, and it has been absolutely flawless. And with the kit, it has completely transformed the yard. So let's go ahead and get out of the yard and show you how it cuts.
You may be wondering why my yard looks so brown after I've cut it, and that's because I'm essentially scalping the yard and doing a how to cut reset after the hurricane that we had here in Houston. But with such a heavy task such as scalping, you can see the electric conversion kit makes this an absolute breeze. There's enough power, enough torque to just cut right through the grass, no pun intended, and it just makes it super easy. You can see it's not bogging, it's not struggling. Definitely recommend the kit.
So this is the day after cutting it at 7/8 of an inch. You can see that the yard looks great even though it's all brown. So we'll raise it up on the next cut and we'll maintain it.